While students are on summer break, school bus mechanics kick into high gear. They work tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure the buses are safe and ready for the upcoming school year. These dedicated mechanics work hard to ensure that the fleet of buses is in top condition to keep our children safe as they travel to and from school each day. From checking brakes and tires to inspecting engines and electrical systems, school bus mechanics have a crucial job to do. Summer break maintenance for school buses come with its own set of challenges. With a limited window of time to complete all necessary repairs and maintenance, mechanics must work efficiently and diligently to ensure that every bus is ready to hit the road. The summer heat can pose challenges for mechanics. Despite these obstacles, these dedicated professionals make sure that every bus is safe and reliable. School bus mechanics' work often goes unseen. Their hard work behind the scenes ensures that students get to school safely and on time.